Hey, so if your car remote start won't start for any reason when you use it in the morning, I want to give you the reasons, the top reasons why your remote start may not work for you, and give you easy solutions to make sure that it will start for you. So one of the reasons why could be because you have your check engine light on. If your check engine light is on, your remote start will not work. So you need to clear that code, get that whatever it is causing that check engine light fixed, so that it can go out, and then you'll be able to use your remote start again. As a temporary fix, you can always get yourself one of these little $15 code readers, and then just go in and clear the code. And once you clear the code, you'll be able to start your use your remote start until that light comes back on again. For me, if I ever have it, that check engine light, and I need to use this to clear it, it'll probably stay off for a couple of days before it comes back. But also make sure to resolve the underlying issue causing the light. Another reason why your remote start may not work is because maybe your hood is ajar. If it's slightly ajar or open, your remote start will not work. So you need to make sure to go out there and close that hood. Also, if your door, any of your doors are ajar or unlocked, the remote start won't start as well. So you have to make sure all your doors are closed and the doors are locked. All right, so those are the usual reasons why your remote start may not work on your Chevy Tahoe. If you like, definitely hit that like button or hit that subscribe button.